Ever since I've discovered water flossers, I feel like it has been such a game changer. I actually enjoy flossing my teeth. This one by COSLUS is really cool. I just opened it up and we are going to check it out for the first time. I do like the look of the machine. It's very sleek and I like that it gets smaller at the top, so it's nice and easy to hold. I personally like to use these in the shower because it gets messy. So today I'm going to show you how it works, and the water is going to kind of spray everywhere. I'm going to try and just keep it contained to the towel, but we'll see how that goes. So really easy. You have your little opening here and you just fill that up with water. And then of course, hopefully you can see inside here, this is the tube that when we turn it on, it's going to go up and it's going to shoot out through one of the little heads that we have here. It is rechargeable. And of course they give that to you right there. And where do we charge it? Oh, right here in the front, I believe. So that comes out. And the reason they have this like this is because it's completely waterproof. So again, you can keep it in your shower with no issues. And then you have your here, you have your on and off, and then your mode. So you've got your clean, you've got your soft, and then you've got your massage. So of course you just pick which one you like best. And then all of these different heads do come with it, which is really nice. So you've got like different ones. This one's got like the little fluff, so you can get in there and also like scrape your teeth. This one's like the nice fine point there. You even have this one. I love this one. This one's the tongue scraper. So you put that on and then the water is going to come shooting out of that, and then you can scrape your tongue down like this way while the water is coming out. So I'm just going to grab one of the like easy, most used ones, and I believe you just kind of pop it in there like that. And then this, of course, can be turned around. So just depending on your comfort of how you like to hold the machine. And so again, as soon as I hit that on button, it's going to come flying out. So I'm just going to kind of do it pointing down here so you can see. So tap of the on. It'll take a second, or maybe it won't work because there we go. Check that out. Got that beautiful stream coming through. And again, you can change mode. So that's the clean. This one is the soft, which is my preferred. And then you have the massage. So it's kind of coming out in little intervals there. So yeah, really great machine. And honestly, we all, I feel like, can use a little bit more flossing in our lives. And this just makes it so easy to do.